Greetings, this is the Old RVer, and we wanted to discuss some of the problems we have been hearing about changing out your hot water heater while on the road. If you do it right, you don't have any leaks. You don't have to change the connectors going into the water heater, and maybe that's a misnomer. But what I do when I'm on the road, I use a compression. It's simple, it's quick, and it's easy. Now if you have a bad Bex pipe because it's we'll heat the end up. And voila, it should work quite well. This one goes into another fitting, which is threaded. It's quick, it's easy. You don't have to worry about those metal rings. Now I will say this, compression connectors won't replace everything. So you have to have a little bit more expertise to use the other type with. Basically, where I take my RV, they like to use that. They have shown me in the past some places where it definitely does work out better than compression. But as you know, a lot of RV parts won't let you work on your vehicle while you're camping there. This is an easy way to do it, so they don't really know what you're doing. You get away with it, I guess. But that's it. I hope that helps.